We start with the 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update for XRP. Okay, first of all, if we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for the reversal. And since the price was within this move, we mentioned about the different possibility. Anyway, I didn't have any update after that, and there was opportunity to look for buy from either from this correction or from here. And whoever get the trade for buy, because I was keep highlighting, we're looking for the reversal. If we get opportunity for buy, we take the trade. Okay, whoever get the trade for buy, they should start to manage, either move their stop loss to break even or book some profit, because as we can see, we wanted to see whether the price can break 93 cent or not, almost price tag, but it couldn't break. All right, and if we refer to the indicators, if you put this top and relative to the previous one based on 1 hour chart, we see we have a divergence. The possibility of the price to drop is very less. Mostly we're looking for the correction. Okay, for sure, if we get a correction from there, any trade setup for buy, we will take it, because if we refer to daily chart, almost we are at the lowest price of this big correction. Okay, and we have been looking for this one internally as a flat. That's why we mentioned if we get any reversal, we can look for buy, and we want to see if the price can retest 1.1 or not. Okay, that means there is no much changes, and it's still be looking for the reversal. Okay, and if we move to daily chart, this is what we get last time, and it's still same, because if we refer to our analysis, since the price was within this move, I mentioned we can put this one in relative to the previous correction as a flat for price to drop. And as we can see, the price almost retest the previous low and reverse. Okay, right now we cannot confirm this is the start of the up move or not, but technically, we can put this one as an internal correction. That's why if we get any trade set up for buy, we will take it and we start to manage it. We want to see this one continue and retest the previous top. This is what we have been looking for and still be looking. And the only thing is we need to look for trade setup. But based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup. And as we can see this shadow, we want to see whether the price can break the previous top or not, which is around 93 cent. Okay. And again, we're looking for buy, but right now we don't have any trade set up. And if we move to 1 hour chart, the first things whoever get the trade either from this correction or from here, they should move their stop loss at least to break even. And if we wants to look for next trade, we have to wait for the correction. Having entry above the top is not really a good idea. Okay, and in this case we don't have any trade setup, but we want to see if we get any correction, any trade setup for buy, we will take it, and we want to see the breakout of the previous top. And can be, as I mentioned, there is a possibility the price can retest the previous low, but I don't think the divergence is going to, I mean, this is the indication for the price to drop. Mostly we can expect to get the bigger correction here, because right now, as we can see, we have internal flat. Maybe we can put this one as the first correction and the last. This is the first wave, we get the correction for next move. Okay, either we're going to get the correction, bigger correction or deeper correction or flat. Any trade setup for buy from now we're looking for. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade setup, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or trade setup, I will share. Thanks.